What's good? Welcome to Design Guy. You'll discover how to turn simple images into a smooth stop-motion animation in Canva. Open your presentation by launching PowerPoint, clicking File, selecting Open, and choosing your desired presentation file. Ensure the correct file is loaded before proceeding to the next step. Select the element you want to stop animating. For example, in this demonstration, I'll choose the pizza element. Make sure the element is highlighted before moving on to the next step. Select the element you want to animate. For this example, choose the pizza slice element. Click the pizza slice to select it. Once it's selected, use the rotation handle to rotate the element to your desired angle. Adjust the rotation until you're happy with how the element looks on your project. Copy and paste to duplicate the page. Once the new page appears, you're ready to add new content or make changes to the layout as needed for your project. Click the image and select the eraser tool. In Pixel Eraser, increase the brush size and erase a small portion of the image. When finished, copy the edited image to a new page. Again, select the eraser, increase the brush size, and remove a bit more from the image. For each slide, rotate the image slightly in a random direction to create variation. Repeat this process, erasing more from the image and rotating it each time until you've reached the desired effect for your animation sequence. When finished, select the timing and set it to 0.1 seconds. Then apply it to all pages. I'm showing 3 pages here, but you can add more. The more pages you include, the smoother your animation effect will appear overall. I have 11 or 12 pages showing the same animation, each slightly rotated. After rotating each page, I deleted the previous one. Now, if you autoplay the sequence, you'll see the animation effect in action. Here's how the animation appears. To share it, first download the animation. Click the download button and select MP4 video as the file format. Once the video is downloaded to your device, you can easily share it with anyone you'd like. That's the process for downloading and sharing your animation as an MP4 video file. You've learned how to make stop-motion animations with Canva 2026. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.